We love you, baby.
You're far too kind.
You're far too kind. Your Fido Dido. You see that Fido Dido that cost you? They don't call change that from your father to your Fido Dido. So you know the say, man, they hail you. Your Fido Dido say,
Fido Dido hail? How?
You know what? Some kind of package cost these days.
You will celebrate.
You will celebrate for your own mind. For your own mind. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, how that day go? Hopes everybody did very, very okay. And as usual, we don't do here again to make sure so everybody nights go very, very beautiful. All right. As usual, now your boy, your balls, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know, if I'm too kind, I love you too. You know, I say we got the roll. On the wheels of steel, as usual.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
She. When they start like this.
I don't see you stuck.
Boom, don't worry. We they go gym, not be this 2016. And they go gym, I'll come out like this.
You die there, come proud.
What I go show?
You come proud.
I'm proud. Serious foam go out in my neck, you know. I don't dey raga everywhere. Nobody feel they talk to me. My voice won't change. But don't they pay me now? Some guys who just use the gym for nothing. Your gym just the house spread. Why?
The model for room.
Yeah, the model for inside your room. Your gym. If you want to bounce out, more no. If you want to go the pipe people, more you know say you the gym for something. Maybe bounce out walk or say you do beweja or something. Don't say your gym just spread for house. They do say what's short to you. Gym and use your gym to impress somebody. Me now, this is why I want to go gym now. This year I want to open shirt for stage.
Wow, shit.
Now what people they do is
they learn.
Just do, just crack joke. Don't do. See, I love you. I'm gonna throw.
You can't see the
they throw bra. They throw things. I the cash. But don't go throw rapper. Give me all these people will spread anyhow. Don't come up fire. Don't throw put you cover me. No, please. I try to avoid that one very, very carefully. Yeah. All right. So now welcome to the late night show. They say, hey, some kind things don't lost for national Nigeria. Eh, Buhari still get work to do. This country, things they miss. Things they miss. Change. Even though bros they do many things already, but some Nigerians still they be die hard. Corruption don't enter inside their blood and thickest part of the blood.
Frustrate you.
My brother. But we just hope say in the bill we go know how far the OT go take go. Make your see censor am until you hear the full gist before we carry mouth enter the whole level. All right, so sit back, relax. The show don't start, no go anywhere. The late night show don't begin. Okay, Coco number one. Baga. Okay. All right, this one, none of this are gist now from Nigeria, all now from away, and they Chris.
Anything away.
No one just
away the grace.
All this away gist, it can Chris too much Chris. This one from Ohio. It happened. The area where I just threw past some time back.
Okay, yeah. We day on. Okay.
Yeah. You know where they go on tour things. But as I just reached the area where I know say Obama go pass.
Okay.
When me for relate, from there I wake up from sleep. You know, so
wow.
I think you'll wake me up. You know, I say, this year you know go wake up from that dream. See, you think that points day. Oh, you all pray. You say amen before come hear the. But really, what did you talk just now? All right, so one man from inside Ohio. Last time we hear the gist of person where police. You go steal somewhere, go thief somewhere. Along the line, they can't put his name up. You can't talk, say, no, not be the correct spelling of his name. That. Call police, say, come. Wanna behave now. Say, why they mess up? Now, my name be that one. They come out the R, put where they worry all of that. This one now, this guy, they put in mug shot.
Okay.
He go do some kind, they find him since, now Fuji they find the guy since. They can't go put in mug shot for TV. As guys see, you see the picture, say, He said, come. This picture no add swag to me now. See the picture where they put. See the picture where they put. He said, no, I don't like this smile. Now I can't send them picture, make them use. See the one I send give them. Hey! These are criminal swag. He said this picture, no. All my short is them. They're not going to like this picture. If they see this, my baby mama, they will deny me. I beg, please take this one. In that big boy I be. Not I got my style. Now they worry all over now. I get image and reputation to maintain for this country. Send and give them. I trust police now. They can't do. They can't go arrange the guy for where they, you know. But at the end of the day, image is everything.
I didn't say.
You understand? Whether you be criminal swag.
Just the door with swag.
You
Just bad finish.
Now New Year, to add some swag to your swag. I tell you last time now. Say some of all these sister for nights.
Yeah.
All these prostitutes. You understand? Not the way I should be now. I should they tie gaily. Different. So anyone you want. I tell you last time I say they drive past them one night, make I go chop somewhere.
Yeah.
Now I see one when they even limp. They say forget this thing, we die for this one. We die for this. We on our hustle and our packaging. So well. All right, so Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
All right, this one another craze again. See for the Yankee players there. This one, I don't fed the prison before.
Okay.
Doesn't just wake up one day, come say, man, I did miss my guys for prison. If your years for back, don't bad. May you not go back to that bad life. You don't because say, man, I just miss my guy, man.
Boring.
Scorpion. I did miss Scorpion. Eje, I did miss Eje. Look, they just go smoke some kind things. Scatter all in head, now enter motor, face prison. Now he bust their fence. See the stupid somebody. He bust their fence. And the police a whole lap. See where carry motor enter. He said one jump the fence, make him enter, make you just go see guys.
Me go back.
Make you go relate. Say guy, how far now? You wouldn't come out for prison. To go back to prison because they hungry you. Some people bad thing no go back come up for their blood.
I did tell you
steady thing. You don't get how you want to do one. Once a criminal, always a criminal.
Always a criminal.
Some people they turn new leaf. Some just agree say no I lie. For this thing, they just born us to be bad. You know, we are followers of a man devil himself. You know? But anyway, like I talked earlier, police don't come talk say man, you know get how the guy for sit and enter that place. Because that fence wey him bust, for still bust another one before he reach the main place. I just say that guy been get plan. No, say that fence, that thing wey smoke, no come clear eye well. You know,
they don't arrest now.
Mess on the head up. All right, finally, Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Okay, South Asia, now this one happen. Normally, when people they wed for this particular area of their own side, the men they wear long skirts. It be like tradition.
Okay, yeah.
You know, so most of these are. So this one they walk down the aisle now. When they go do their own. Hey, marriage. As they stroll, they go. Now the man go do mistake, mash the guy for skirt. He reveal the guy. Just show and say, wow. So wait till 4 come out. The guy thought to stripper for his own wedding. You know, but I don't see where. Okay, not before Nigeria happened though. I don't see one of that video some time back. See the skirts.
That's shit.
This is skirt. So she gonna go do mistake, gonna go match up.
That's shit.
19 just
that's pain.
this guy gets stretch mark and you're not finished. You're not finished. Then they compare, say man, the guy will say, man, wow, honey, me and you the drag for stretch mark. No, your own Aboki knife flog you. So no, I have zebra crossing in my body. What's not to you? All right, so now that will come out on top Coco of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, anybody will get extra just to follow us just on top of the mark. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.